Hi, dear students, my name is Ashfaq Ulahad. I'm the director of Fazlani Altius Business School. Let me ask you this question. What are the couple of things that you look at when you are choosing an MBA college? My gut feel is it's all about things like infrastructure, placements, reputation of the institution, the faculty, the pedagogy, and the industry interface onto the program. So a lot of institutions keep on making claims as to we do this, we do that, and so on and so forth. But I really want students to think about it in a format where they are able to take decisions. So let me start with placements first. It's so fascinating to see that every second college is making a claim that they have 100% placements. I think I have a very simple, commonsensical approach. Go to the institution, meet the students, and ask them, how do they feel? But when you will hear from them, you will get the reality. And by the way, it is so interesting to know, do you call a 15,000 job, 1.8 lakh salary with a 50,000 variable of 2.4 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs, which is almost 50-60,000 as variable, as a job for an MBA graduate? I'm not sure. It might be a short-changing role where an MBA graduate is being taken at a level of a graduate. That's one part of it. So when you choose placements, look at three things. Number one, quality of the role per se. It has to be an MBA job. It can't be a sales trainee role which even a graduate will get. Two, if it's a management job, it has to have a management compensation. So keep that in mind. Three, whether the job really exists or not. I find it very sad when a lot of good MBA students end up picking up jobs like insurance selling. Therefore, when you choose an institution from a placement standpoint, go that extra mile. Go to the institution, meet the people there, meet the people outside of the institution, because within the institution everything is very well created for you. So that's one part of it. Second part of it, faculty. I mean, a lot of students say, I choose an MBA college based on the faculty, and where did you see about the faculty? The brochure had some 30 names. Is that the way you chose it? I would strongly suggest you need to deep dive on each faculty. The course design, that's the other piece. How many of us get very excited with the fact I'm getting into MBA finance, I'm getting into MBA in human resources? Aren't they very traditional? An MBA finance program hasn't changed its design for almost maybe 30 years. You should look at courses that are more customized and more relevant. So I find some of the institutions doing a fantastic job in that. Somebody's coming with a course called MBA in Investment Banking and Securities Operations. Now that seems to be very precise, to the point, and getting you ready for the industry. Let me take the next point, which is the practical exposure. Isn't it funny that MBA institutions have a 2 to 3 month internship program? And what are you going to learn in that? Join the company, know the company for about 15 days, understand your project and start working on the project, collect the data for the next 30 days, and look, you have only 15 days more to go before you exit the institution. And what are you going to implement finally? So I haven't been able to put my hand on what's the point of having a 2 month, 2.5 month kind of an internship. Is how things would have been brilliant if it was a 6 months, 9 month kind of an internship, which gives you more practical experience. If we do not interface and figure out which kind of an institution are providing what quality of practical exposure, it's an extremely important decision for you to figure out in the course that you choose from. Last but not the least, the entire design of the program. First year, the entire student community understands generic management. Then there is an internship of 2 months, and then you do specialization for the rest of the months. And surprisingly, 6 months before, if you are in a good institution, you get placed, then look, nobody's studying. So when have you really worked on the specialization? So you need to start understanding these small nuances before you take a critical decision about what kind of an MBA program you need to look at. We at FABS have tried to answer these questions in a dramatically different format. So get in touch with our counselors and see what we do really, really differently. I can only give you one teaser, small teaser. How about placing you first and then you do the MBA program? Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Director of Fazlani Altius Business School, and my name is Dr. Shivakant Upadhyay. So what is so special about FABS is to be seen, to be believed, because we deliver some of the very, very best and very, very innovative methodologies within an MBA institution. What we do is, you get your placement first before you get into Fazlani Altius Business School as a student. Now, the best part is that all the subjects that you need to study in an MBA institution are delivered to you and more, because here is where the industry academia participation comes in. We at FABS sit down with the companies and co-create your curriculum for the company where you've been specifically appointed. The company that selects you will actually be offering you what they require, what they need in a module which is being specially created in partnership with the company by Fazlani Altius Business School. So which means, for example, if you've been selected for a company X and there are 5 students who have been picked up by this particular company X, then only these 5 students will get that particular module delivered to them, not the other remaining 55 students from the class, which is the kind of specific training that a company needs to impart to every single student. Having said that, these students are now ready to roll. They join in the companies as interns for a period of 9 months, which means your induction period is a full 9 months before you were expected to actually start to deliver like a star. I would like to invite all the prospective students who are wanting to do their MBAs and wanting to get into an institution that actually polishes them. We help you become a star. Thank you.
Most of the Fortune 500 companies are setting up base in India, thereby creating an upbeat mood for the Indian economy.
Boundaries and barriers are starting to break with technology coming into play.
And more multinationals coming into the country and more organizations going global, the need for specialized domain expertise will be felt in the future.
Having said this, with my personal experience in being in global markets across 65 nations and cultures, with more than 100 products and 700 customers worldwide, a unanimous challenge has been to create a workforce that is ready to hit the road.
सबसे बड़ी चुनौती आती है कैंपस में जब जाते हैं तो जितने वहाँ पे कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं उसमें से कैसे उनको शॉर्टलिस्ट किया जाए। तो बहुत बड़ी तादाद में लोग आ जाते हैं कई बार इंटरव्यू देने के लिए, जिसमें से शॉर्टलिस्ट करना, फिल्टर करना हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। और किस तरीके से करेंगे उसमें बहुत चैलेंजेस आते हैं। उन लोगों के स्कोर देख के, रिजल्ट्स देख के, उनका बैकग्राउंड देख के, उनके सीवीज देख के काफ़ी बड़ी चुनौती हो जाती है कि उनको कैसे सेलेक्ट किया जाए। दूसरा ये आता है जिन बच्चों को सेलेक्ट किया जाता है कैंपस में, जिनको आप लेते हैं कैंडिडेट्स को, उन लोगों का कितना सीरियसनेस है जॉब के प्रति। कई लोग जॉब लेने के बाद में, कैंपस में जॉब मिलने के बाद वो लोग नहीं आते हैं, और जैसा हम लोग देखते हैं ड्रॉप आउट रेट आराम से 30 से 40% ड्रॉप आउट रेट हो जाता है कैंडिडेट्स का आने का। थर्ड थिंग ये भी है कि आजकल कम्युनिकेशन का अगर आप देखेंगे तो काफ़ी चैलेंज है इंडिया में। काफ़ी इंटीरियर कॉलेजेस में, कैंपस में जाइए, लड़के अच्छे होते हैं, तो टेक्निकली दे आर साउंड, बट व्हेन यू गो एंड स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू देम, कम्युनिकेशन एंड पर्सनालिटी इज़ अ बिग चैलेंज।
जब जल्दबाजी में काम करना पड़ता है और टैलेंट को इतने जल्दी पकड़ना पड़ता है, तो कई बार वॉल्यूम हायरिंग में जो ज़्यादा तादाद में आप करनी पड़ती है हायरिंग, वो कई बार जो क्वालिटी होती है वो उतनी नहीं मिल पाती है, और इसीलिए कई बार कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना पड़ता है क्वालिटी पे। उसका नुकसान स्टूडेंट को भी होता है और कंपनी को भी होता है। तो कैंपस की ये कुछ रियलिटीज़ हैं जो दिक्कत देती हैं कई बार राइट टैलेंट, राइट एक्सपीरियंसेस को कंपनी में जाने के लिए।
At this gap of industry-ready resources, our sojourn with Fazlani Altius Business School started.
हमारा पैशन रहा है, पर्सनली मेरा पैशन रहा है कि भाई सबको ये मिलनी चाहिए। विद्या है, हम दान तो करते हैं, विद्या का दान सबसे बड़ा दान किया जाता है। We saw the need of business schools. The students coming out exactly what we want, what the corporates want. The student finishes up and is ready, running on the rail. We don't have to train him in our office then. That is the content I wanted, and that's the content I got.
If you see the business system in India today, right now there is a need for people who are actually becoming productive on day one of their joining, which unfortunately does not happen with a lot of business schools that are operating in the classic mode here in India. That's where Fazlani Altius Business School brings in the difference. There are 28 subjects which have to be taught to a typical MBA graduate. over a period of 2 years is what people normally do. Fabs has changed that model.
One of the reasons why Fabs is very different from other organizations is because the promoters from the academia, corporate and business have come together to create a very unique program, which ensures that the students who pass out from this institution are not only of the highest caliber, from as far as the business ethics is concerned, business practices are concerned, but they're also going to be people of the highest level of integrity.
The one key difference between Fabs and other management schools is the sheer degree of industry interaction in all three areas. One, course content design, which is contributed significantly by industry experts and stalwarts. Number two, the fact that the contribution, the delivery channel is also through industry experts. And number three, I think India is a vast country, people are spread all over. It will be great for people to find employment in their own home location.
Is an educationist. We bring in the best of the faculty to teach you and give you an academics perspective of education. The second perspective we give is an originator's perspective. What was in the mind of the originator when he implemented that product? What was it meant for? What was the original theory behind the product? What was the conceptualization that was done? हमारे बच्चों को सिखाया जाता है. The third view is the practitioners. अगर कोई concept है which got implemented in a company, how did that company implement it? उसका result क्या आया उनको? That is what we teach the students, and these trainers are the trainers that come from the corporate industry. The fourth view that we have is a critiques view. Today I might have model which is brilliant. Example, balanced scorecard. Everybody loves this product, but there are a lot of people who have not got the results of the product. If the product results are not there, these people are critics. They are again people from the corporate industry, but telling, okay, these are the negatives or not so great points of the product. This is what we call as the critics view. The last view, which is the collaborative view. अगर मेरे बच्चे ने कोई product सीखा, कोई एक methodology सीखी, it is extremely important that he implements it, he does a practical of it. So we have tied up with a lot of small and medium enterprises where students go, participate, implement these programs, and this is what we call as Skill Lab.
जो बच्चे MBA करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए 4 स्पेशलाइजेशन है: सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट, सर्विसेज ऑपरेशन मैनेजमेंट, अप्लाइड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट और इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग एंड सिक्योरिटीज ऑपरेशंस.
We have actually sat down with the organization that has selected the student, and we co-create a curriculum which needs to be delivered in a period of 3 months. So अब ये जो 3 महीना है, ये पूरा का पूरा जिस कंपनी ने उस स्टूडेंट को सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है, उनके पास पूरा टाइम मिलता है. वो कंपनी के बारे में बताएं, कंपनी के सिस्टम्स बताएं, whatever they want in terms of specific knowledge that needs to be passed on to the student who is going to join them eventually.
We have looked at the entire curriculum from 3 different perspectives. One, the cognitive dimension, where we equip the student with the basic knowledge on what he or she needs to know from a content perspective. 2, we try and look at the affective aspect in terms of the feelings or the skills or the mindset that a student needs to have to be able to deliver on a particular area. 3, the psychomotor perspective, where we provide the student knowledge on how to use specific tools on the job.
फैब्स में MBA करने के लिए ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री होना जरूरी है. फैब्स में एडमिशन प्रोसेस इस तरह होगा कि सही योग्यता रखने वाले स्टूडेंट ही चुने जाएंगे.
From Delhi, I moved to Mumbai to be a part of Fabs. I was very elated to be a part of this particular institute, because this would help me interact with various other corporates on a daily basis. Fabs is located right in the middle of the entire corporate fiesta, if I have to say. We are heading directly towards the corporates. This way we can interact with them, know a lot more about the corporates, how they function, etc., etc. On the very first day, our professor told us that he is a wolf and we are the sheep. He is going to be after us throughout the entire program, and he would make sure we reach to a level wherein the corporates will stand up and take notice of us.
At Fabs, we make concerted efforts to dovetail the curriculum into specific industry needs. Number 2 is the pedagogy that we have here plays a great deal of stress on practical work rather than chalk and talk. We send out the students on projects, workshops, field assignments. So they are able to apply theoretical constructs to real life cases.
हमने इस सिलेक्शन कमेटी में, पर्टिकुलरली फैब्स में इस सिलेक्शन कमेटी में कॉर्पोरेट्स को रखा हुआ है। और क्यों? क्योंकि होता क्या है कि एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करने के बाद में कॉर्पोरेट दूसरे पैरामीटर्स पे मेजर करना शुरू करती है स्टूडेंट्स को, और हम ये नहीं चाहते कि उसको 3 साल के बाद या 2 साल के बाद पता पड़े कि कॉर्पोरेट को क्या चाहिए। हम पहले दिन ये जानना चाहते हैं कि कॉर्पोरेट को क्या चाहिए। सो एक बार अगर वो सिलेक्ट हो गया, इसका मतलब वो सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट है और वो कंपनी में काम करने के लिए एकदम फिट है। और फैब्स का मैक्सिमम फोकस लड़कों का इंप्रूवमेंट की तरफ है, उनके रिजेक्शन की तरफ नहीं है।
Students at Fabs are presented with a very unique opportunity. Most B schools, when you join, you are always in a chase to get out and get a job and cut the grades from the perspective of getting a job. Here, you already have a job with you, and that takes some of the pressure off and starts to give you a renewed focus, a renewed energy. Plus, you have the opportunity to really work at your employer even before you've graduated out of B school, which is extremely unique in its nature. The first job, it's very important because that's your foundation setting platform. And here you have the opportunity, unlike other B schools, to have courtship with your employer before you sign up and before you marry with them, which is something you don't get in other B school programs. And that is a huge plus that the students should appreciate from the course.
फैब्स स्टूडेंट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा सुविधाएं, नई तकनीकें, नई सोच के साथ ही बड़ी तादाद में केस स्टडीज, इंटर्नशिप, रिसर्च के मौके, मल्टीमीडिया वर्चुअल क्लासेस वगैरह मुहैया कराता है।
Each of the faculty members has over 2 decades of practical work ex, which brings in lot of rational thinking when it comes to classroom teaching. So on one hand you have the rigor of the academics that we have gone through, which will bring the concepts and knowledge. On the other hand, you will also be getting away with the right things that are happening in the industry.
इतनी सारी मौजूदा फैसिलिटीज के अलावा फैब्स की और भी खूबियां हैं जो बनाती है इसे और भी खास, जैसे कि क्वालिटी पीयर टू पीयर लर्निंग, मॉडर्न प्रैक्टिसेस से भरपूर वर्ल्ड क्लास इंडस्ट्री फैकल्टी, हमारी उम्दा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से उभरा अ कल्चर ऑफ इनोवेशन एंड रिस्क टेकिंग, ट्रेडिशनल एज वेल एज करंट केस स्टडीज, स्टडी ट्रिप्स, सिमुलेशंस, इंटर्नशिप्स और बहुत सारी रिसर्च अपॉर्चुनिटीज, प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट के लिए इंडस्ट्री एंगेजमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म, टेक्नोलॉजी इंटीग्रेटेड क्लासरूम लर्निंग जो कि लाती है द बेस्ट फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द ग्लोब। बेहतर प्रशिक्षण के लिए द फैकल्टी स्टूडेंट रेशियो इज 1:40 to ensure foster seamless interaction between teacher, mentor, student communities. यूदो फैब्स अपने स्टूडेंट्स को कई सुविधाएं देता है, पर इसकी 2 विशेषताएं हैं। पहली विशेषता है अनोखा सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस। इस प्रोसेस से ये निश्चित किया जाता है कि कोर्स शुरू होने से पहले ही हर स्टूडेंट का प्लेसमेंट हो जाए।
We go to various colleges, we go to various institutions and scout for students. जैसे ये बच्चे अपने को अप्लाई कर लेते हैं, then we do a filtration process. We have a national aptitude test, we have group discussions and we have personal round of interviews. Once we finish this process, हम लोग इनमें से बच्चों को निकालते हैं और उनको various companies के सामने present करते हैं. These companies come, interview each of these candidates and depending upon their selection, you become the student of FABS. So day 1, you get a letter of intent from these companies, then you join onto the program.
दूसरी विशेषता है CXO राउंड टेबल, एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री एकेडमिया साझेदारी जो स्टूडेंट को हमारे कॉर्पोरेट पार्टनर्स के साथ नजदीकी बातचीत के मौके देती है।
CXO राउंड टेबल एक ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसके थ्रू हम स्टूडेंट्स को हमेशा रिक्वायरमेंट के पास रखेंगे, उनको हमेशा मार्केट डेवलपमेंट्स के पास में रखेंगे और इसलिए हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो नॉर्मल किसी भी स्टूडेंट से वो बातें जान पाएंगे जो CXO सोचते हैं।
We believe the fundamentals of FABS were right to harness young minds. It is that harnessness and the initiative taken by FABS that interested us. We believe they are on right course and partnering them at this stage would be a win-win situation.
FABS के विद्यार्थियों को मैं यही कहूँगा कि जो भी कोर्स करिकुलम है, जो भी आप सब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो, थ्योरेटिकली आप अपने आप को उसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लो, वो आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। बेस अच्छा बना लो, कॉन्सेप्ट समझ जाओ। कॉन्सेप्ट मतलब ये है सब्जेक्ट में जस्ट सिर्फ नंबर पाने के लिए मत पढ़ना, उसमें ये भी देखना कि तुम समझ पाए हो कि नहीं समझ पाए हो, क्योंकि वही तुम्हें आगे चल के जब जॉब करोगे वही काम आएगा एंड यू विल बी मच मोर बेटर एम्प्लॉय। आप ज़्यादा अच्छा काम कर पाओगे तब उस पर प्रैक्टिकल रूप से ध्यान भी दो।
बच्चों को तराशना हमारा काम है। फजलानी ऑल्टियर्स बिजनेस स्कूल हीरे बनाती है, उन्हें हमें पॉलिश करने का मौका दीजिए। वेलकम टू फजलानी ऑल्टियर्स बिजनेस स्कूल।
फजलानी ऑल्टियर्स बिजनेस स्कूल आपके साथ है, क्योंकि हमारा उद्देश्य है सक्सीड फॉरएवर।